One of the key trends we're seeing today, supply chain hiccups. Every one of our customers, large and small, has these stops and starts from supply chain hiccups. And the problem is getting worse. International sourcing, carriers on the ocean, tariffs. It only takes one ingredient sitting at a customs yard to be late to cause the entire supply chain to come to a screeching stop. Sometimes it's only one truck that's late, or it could be multiple trucks that are late due to a weather issue. A machine breaks down as a key supplier, or your priority is not someone else's priority. Meanwhile, deadlines are not changing. If anything, they're moving up. To accommodate our customers, we have to be proactive every single day. We have to collaborate internally and with our customers, and we have to have all of the right facilities, systems, equipment, and labor resources so that we can react to inventory issues in real time.